Hi guys, today I will show you how to use a folding clasp. Folding clasp features a mechanism that folds the strap and hides the strap inside. Start by threading the end of the strap through the steel bar at the buckle. Adjust the length of the folded strap to fit your wrist comfortably. Gently squeeze the two sides of the strap so that the strap fits into the buckle. Do the same with the other strap. Attach the strap to your watch and wear to your wrist before close the clasp. Press the buckle firmly until you hear a click. Finally, check the tightness of the buckle and the fit of the strap to ensure it is secure.